Forget the signature. Pollock always leaves the same visual clues. Once you know what to look for, you'll recognize his paintings in seconds. First, the gravity effect. Pollock didn't paint on an easel. He laid his canvas on the floor. Instead of brushing paint onto the surface, he let gravity become part of the process. The paint falls, splashes, and flows naturally. If every line seems pulled by gravity rather than carefully drawn, you're probably looking at Pollock. Next, all-over composition. Most paintings have a focal point. Pollock's don't. There's no center, no background, no main subject. Your eyes can start anywhere and keep wandering forever. Every part of the canvas is equally important. The third secret is layered rhythm. Look closer. The painting wasn't made in one session. One web of paint crosses another. Thin lines weave between thick splashes. Every new layer creates a rhythm rather than covering the previous one. The deeper you look, the more layers you discover. And finally, controlled chaos. At first glance, it looks completely random. It isn't. The colors balance each other. The density changes across the canvas. Nothing feels accidental. Pollock wasn't throwing paint. He was composing movement. So there you have it. The gravity effect, the all-over composition, the layered rhythm, the controlled chaos. Now let's put your new skill to the test. Look at these 4 paintings. Only one is a real Pollock. Can you spot the master? Drop your choice, 1, 2, 3, or 4 in the comments. Now it's your turn. Like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and see you in the next video. Bye!